Hi, Rai. I've been thinking about university lately. What's your campus like? Is big or small?
Hi, my university is pretty big. There are many buildings and a lot of green spaces where students like to relax. It feels lively because there are always many events happening.
That sounds great. What career are you studying?
I'm studying electronic engineering. It's really interesting because I want to design and develop new technologies and electronic devices.
Cool. What subjects are you taking this semester?
I have five subjects: circuit analysis, digital systems, microcontrollers, signal processing, and a few electives like robotics. Most of my classes are quite challenging, but I enjoy them.
Do you have many groups, projects, or class activities?
Yes, there are many group projects. We often work in teams because it helps us learn better. Also, we have lab sessions where we build and test circuits, which are fun and useful.
What about your professor? Are they strict or friendly?
Most of my professors are very friendly and supportive. They explain things clearly and always encourage questions. One professor in particular speaks very enthusiastically, which makes the classes more interesting.
Sounds like a good environment. What do you usually do in your free time on campus?
I usually go to the library to study quietly or hang out in the student lounge with friends. Sometimes I participate in the electronics club because I want to be more involved.
That's awesome. Now tell me about your university. It's similar to mine?
I don't know much about your university yet. Can you tell me what career you're pursuing?
Sure, I'm studying system engineering because I want to design and manage complex computer systems and server solutions.
Nice. What subjects do you have this semester?
I have subjects like system analysis, database management, software engineering, networks, and few electives like artificial intelligence. Most of the classes involve a lot of programming and project work.
Do you have many practical activities or experiments in your classes?
Not many lab experiments like in electronics, but we do many programming projects and group discussions. I like them because they help me solve problems.
How are your professors? Are they easy to approach?
Most professors are approachable, but a few are quite strict. However, they rate fairly because they want us to learn deeply.
What do you do in your free time on campus?
I often join the system engineering club meeting and participate in hackathons. I also spend a lot of time at the cafe because it's cozy and quiet.
It's really nice to hear about your campus life, Lisa. I hope we can visit each other's university someday.
Me too, right? Take care and talk soon.
Bye bye, Risa.
Bye.